Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Karim Hajar, Customer Success Manager at Insomnia Computer Solution, a Microsoft Gold partner specialized in the cloud and in digital transformation. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Microsoft Sharepoint to create state-of-the-art intranet websites.
Microsoft Sharepoint is an online platform spread among small and large companies. It creates common online intranet pages, collecting news, document resources, and lists to edit and share between people and groups within your organization or external. It allows to have deep control on sensitive information and communication, advanced file versioning, and knowledge sharing through blogs and notebooks. In order to access to SharePoint Online, all we have to do is to open our favorite browser and we type the URL office.com. After entering our username and password, we'll come to this page. So we will click on the app launcher and we will have the SharePoint. Click on it.
Okay, let's start discovering the graphical user interface of SharePoint Online. We will start with the search. Okay, so if we want to search for something, okay, so here we can type any keyword. For example, let's type emo. Here we have a result of an intranet published 7 days ago. We can click on it. It will be opened. Okay, so we can look at it. Okay. Then let's go back. So we can check out the news. So the SharePoint start page is your place to find sites, read news, or look up for content. So the right pane gives you access to relevant content arranged in the following grouping. So the first one, we have news from sites. It highlights updates from sites you follow or visit them. Frequent sites, as you can see here, it shows sites you visit often and recent activity on them. Finally, at the bottom, we'll find the suggested site. It appears based on searches you've done and also on recommendation. If we scroll up, we'll find also that there is the left navigation pane. Okay, so this one shows SharePoint sites you follow, like this one, and also site that you've gone to recently, which is the recent here.
Okay, let's see how to collaborate using Microsoft Sharepoint Online. Okay, so for this purpose, I'm going to open one of the intranet that I have previously created. So for example, this one, I click on it and you notice that at the left pane, we have different options. So the one that I am targeting is the document. I will click on it. So it will open the various documents of the intranet. Okay, so we have different folders. I'm going to select this folder. and then we have subfolders again. Okay, I'm going to select, for example, this one. So we'll come to this document that I would like to open. So in order to do that, I will select the document that I would like to open, and here I can open it, okay, by just selecting open and open in browser, and the document will be open. Okay, let's go back. Now, this document I would like to share, so make sure that the document is selected. I click on share button here, and it will open this dialog box. Okay, so all I have to do is to mention the email address to whom I'm going to share with this document. So for example, I'm going to share it with myself for this demo, and after entering my email address, of course I can use others, okay, email, and after that I click on the button send. So it will tell me that the link was sent. Okay, so after we have shared this document, so let's deselect the document in order that we would like to have the possibility to synchronize with OneDrive. Okay, so deselect and click on sync, and it will tell me that I need to open Microsoft OneDrive for this purpose. So I click on it. Of course, I have to enter my credential, and it's telling me that you are already syncing the document. Okay, so let's talk about work from anywhere using Microsoft SharePoint Online. So if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription that includes SharePoint Online, you can view information on sites, collaborate with colleagues, access shared documents, and stay connected with your work using your mobile device. Okay, we have the possibility to download the mobile application either for Android or either for iPhone. Okay, so for Android devices, okay, you need to open the Google Play Store and search for Microsoft SharePoint and install. If you have iPhone mobile devices, okay, you can open the App Store and search for SharePoint and install the app. Okay, let's see how to create a site in SharePoint Online. In order to do that, we have to click on Create Site. This page will open. And we have the choice of either creating a team site or a communication site. So for the team site is to share documents, have conversation with your team, keep track of events, manage tasks, and more with a site connected to a Microsoft 365 group. But if we'll go for the communication site, it will be a publish dynamic, beautiful content to people in your organization to keep them informed and engaged on topics, events, or projects. Let's select communication site. Here we have to mention the site name. Okay, my intranet company, for example. Okay, so this will be the site address. Here we can put a description. So this site is the intranet of our company. We can select the language, either English or French or whatever. and we click on finish. So the site is created. Let's scroll down. So we have news, events, and documents. Okay, let's now try to create a list or a document library. In order to do that, we have to go to the new here, drop down list, click on it. You can either create a list or a document library. Let's do that. For the document library, we just type the name here, you can put the description, and after that we click on create. And the document library will be created. As you can see here it is created. Let's go back, click on home here. Okay, and let's now try to create a page. So we click on the drop down list menu here and we select page. Okay, we can use different template, either blank or visual or basic text. So let's choose visual. Okay, and click on create page. Okay, so let's try to change here my first page. Okay, I can scroll down to see the details here, and if I am satisfied I can click on publish. Okay, so I can have the possibility to share it with my colleagues. Okay, then if I go to home, then pages here, I will find the page that I have just created right now.
I hope you've got the points and get useful information about Microsoft SharePoint. See you soon in the next session. Thank you so much and have a nice day.